Okay, Preston's going to introduce the basketball. Break!
I'm very confused what it is.
Well, they're white.
Is it either food or something to play with? You're just licking it though.
White dogs can't jump.